Flames, make way for the king.
Score is 7 rounds, 17 seconds. Subham collects the ball, Subham looking for his teammate, fighting with the ball, Subham is looking, Subham left, and careful. There is ball, the ball, shoots, and misses. Subham is in the direction. Ball with the ball, ball takes, right pass, and the first time this ever in the sport in this match. But the Olympic is easy there, but it wouldn't become to be so. That's good. You see the shot, the Rangers has come back 3 points. So when it's back on the floor, the score is 7 in the favor of, that's a perfect in the referee. There is 10-7 in the favor of the Rangers. There is basketball for अच्छा contact किया क्या ये काम दोबारा करेंगे या फिर the Rangers ले जाएंगे. So we will pass to Subham. So 3 wins, shoots and misses. Rebound collected by Subham again and passes to Kobe, Subham and Kobe with the rebound. Subham, bam! Ball is free. He goes for 3. No good. Ball with the whistle play. Ball goes in. Euro. For the goal, the 2 coaches or कैसे coaches? Sudhir punts. Then Barroso ball with another 3 and this Gomez with the ball. Gomez is looking for his teammate. Ball is free. He shoots and out. Ball with the ball again. Gomez is free. Number 30 and he misses. Sudhir with 1 hand rebound. Nice pass sequence. Sudhir with the ball. Ball is free and that's good. There is basketball player. It's a foul from Subham. Time remaining on the clock is 2 minutes 39 seconds. Score is 12-8 for favor of the Rangers. Here's the side step. There's a free ball that goes to him. Rebound by Subham. Ball is free. Passes to Sudhir. Sudhir with the pocket and that's good. Ball is free. Ball takes. Ball looking to do some crafty moves right here. Ball looks for Davis. Shoot and goal by Sudhir. Right the ball. Pass it to by Kobe, but foul taken by the goal. And the remaining on the clock is 1 minute 59 seconds. Score is 38 in the favor of the Rangers. 38. No good free throw. Sudhir, Kobe, Sudhir. Lovely play by the Rangers. There is basketball play. Ball with them there. Step back. Ball looks for 3. Pull up and no good. Rebound. Sudhir को मिलता है. Sudhir after teammates करते हुए. Sudhir is calm. He's going to lay up and that's a hold on the BC. Score is 14-8. 14-8. In the favor of the Rangers. Subham pulled up and that's no shot. Goes back to rebound. Sudhir is free. Sudhir Berger. MBC pulled out of the ball. The stick ball is free. Ball lays it up and passes the ball and there's a jump shot from MBC. Sudhir will go for 3. 59 seconds left on the clock. The score is 14, 15, 9. Like that says the referee. Sweetie, giving a check ball. Amelo is here for 3 and there's an air ball. Score is 9-15. The favor of the Ravagers. So the punch was back for the rebound. Pass it to Hitesh. Hitesh with the first basket in the paint. Amelo with the ball. Amelo drives in and misses the shot. Sunil with the ball. So they pass it to Hitesh and there's a foul for Amelo. 37 seconds left. Hitesh is free for 3 and no good. Hitesh goes for the rebound. There's some hustle play by to Nails Basketball Club. Toby, this is the play. So there is 3, he goes for 3.